right, that is just some mild cheddar cheese in my pre-made pie crust. Now I'm gonna grab some diced peppers, put that right on top, add a nice beautiful color, make it a little healthy, delicious. With that, I'm gonna grab some red onion. If you don't like onion, it's totally optional, you can skip it, but I personally love onion. And we are just gonna make this nice and delicious and fresh. For our protein, I have some cubed ham. So we are making a breakfast, so you could use whatever breakfast meat you like. You could use sausage or bacon or, you know, whatever. Chorizo would be good if you want to do a Mexican style. We're gonna use about half of this little bag because we want lots of protein in our breakfast pie. Delicious. Okay, we're almost done here. Go ahead and spread those out. Make sure they don't stick together. This is looking delicious. Now we're going in with some freeze-dried chives. More color, the better. Just a nice little sprinkle on top of everything. Delicious. Okay, now I did say this was a breakfast, so of course we're gonna grab some eggs. I have 6 eggs here, and I'm gonna add some half and half, and this just makes it nice and fluffy and just a more fulfilling egg. I'm gonna do about a cup of half and half. Now for seasonings, I'm gonna grab some black pepper, just a nice little sprinkle right in there. You can use whatever seasonings you like, but this is gonna season up the whole entire dish, so choose wisely. I have some minced garlic. You guys know I love my garlic in breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, nice little sprinkle of that garlic. And then lastly, some salt, but you can skip the salt if you're worried about the sodium, but I like mine a little salty. Perfect. Grab our whisk, and we're gonna whisk these eggs super quick, get all of them scrambled and ready for our breakfast pie. Things blended in. Make sure all of those eggs, this is 6 eggs by the way. Let's see. Okay, once you get a beautiful, pastel yellow color, your eggs are ready for your pie. Perfect. Okay, you guys, go ahead and grab those delicious pie, and we're gonna drizzle those right on top. 6 eggs is the perfect amount. They're gonna fluff up and just create a beautiful dome in the oven. I have my oven set to 350, and this is gonna cook for about 50 minutes. Oh my goodness. I wish you guys could smell this right now. It smells so good. And of course, I am gonna get my sriracha, and we are gonna do a nice little sriracha drizzle right on top of the whole pie, totally optional. Oh, that looks incredible. Okay, time to cut a slice so we can eat our breakfast. Oh my gosh, get through that pie crust. I did let this cool for about, 10 minutes, but you can still see that steam coming out. Oh my goodness, and that pie crust is just so crispy. Really gotta make sure you cut through it. Okay, ooh, moment of truth. Oh my, it's perfect. Our little breakfast pie. It looks so good, you guys. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, all the goodness. That was so good, and the crust is cooked perfect.